Hi guys, today I have a Chevrolet Camaro 2015 model key ignition. I'm going to make the spare key. So this is the old remote working one. I'm going to make this. Okay, this 315 frequency using Autel km100. So let's see how it's doing. First connect the device. So after you connect the device, just wait few minutes to connect the devices here. So device is connected already. Go to Chevrolet. It's already take the Autel. Press enter. Okay. It's Camaro 2015 USA. Press yes. Okay. Press yes. Go to menu selected. Chevrolet USA. Camaro 2013-2016. Blade key. So now you want to read the pin code. Go to control init. Read embellisher password. Read embellisher password. Reading password. Switch ignition on. Switch ignition on. Press OK. Make sure switch ignition is on and let's keep the on ignition. Press OK. Press OK. So his password is reading already 6659. Press OK. And go back. Go back. Go back. Go to hot function. Add key guide. Start. Do you want to start pin code reading? Press yes. No, because I already have the pin code. So press yes, no problem. Anyway, read the pin code again here. Make switch ignition is off. So switch ignition is already off. press OK. Switch ignition on. No need to clean anything, just press now. Do you want to start key learning process? Yes, I will need to learning. Press yes. Please close all the door. Switch ignition is on. Press OK. The pin code is yes already. Okay. So it's take a 12 minutes time, as you can see here. It's needed 12 minutes. Have to keep the switch ignition is on and waiting for 12 minutes. So I will push a video here. I'll come back again after 10-11 minutes. So still is 82%. We are waiting for 100 to be 100%. Let's see. Is so now it's done waiting for the 12 minutes. Let's see preparing the programming. Let's wait. Okay, configure the systems. Wait for the 5 seconds. Place switch ignition off and remove the key. This is the original key. We watch switch ignition with that. Then press OK. Now open the driver door and close the driver door. Open and close. Okay, we're off. Okay. Okay, please insert the key, need to be matched, and switch ignition. I am going to program this. Let's put the ignition and switch ignition on. Okay, I on the ignition and press OK. So it's take 5 seconds. Current case complete the matching, so his program is success. If you want more, you can press yes. So I don't want more, I put a no. Switch ignition off and remove the key. Okay, please open the driver door and open and close the driver door. Like open, close, and press OK. Wait for the 45 seconds. Please switch ignition on with the new keys. Switch ignition on. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. The number of key match it 5. Press OK. Maybe the customer have 5 keys. So it's success. Now take out the key and check the new remote. Okay, as you can see here, it's working. The key is working. Lock and lock. You can try to start the car with the new key. It's working. You can check the old key also, this old one. It's also working. That's it. Thank you guys.